Hello everyone, welcome back to BrainyHub. I'm Amir Massoudi and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to subtract numbers super quickly. So let's get started. 74 minus 58. This is our first question. So let's solve it. First we will break up the number 58. When we break up the number 58, it will be 50 and 8. Then we will minus 50 with 74. It will be 24. Then we will minus 8. When we minus 8 with 24, it will be 16. Then 16 is our answer. So let's have two more examples. 85 minus 74. Then we will break up the number 74. It will be 70 and 4. Then we will minus 70 with 85. 70 minus 85 is 15. Then we will minus the 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. Then our answer is 11. So this is our last example. 45 minus 39. Then we will break up the number 39. It will be 30 and 9. Then we will minus 45 with 30. It will be 15. Then we will minus the 9 with 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Then our answer is going to be 6. Now it's your turn to solve this question and write the answer in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye guys.